So this style is super quick and easy to do. All you need is a wig stand, a U-part crochet cap, the little crochet needle, and then whatever hair you want to use. I recommend getting 3 or 4 packs, and I'm going to be using this blonde hair right here. So to put this on, all you want to do is open your crochet needle, find a spot where you want to add the hair in, and slide the needle through like this. Add your hair into the middle of your crochet needle, and then close that bad boy back up. Slide it through. Grab the little open loop on one end, take the hair from the bottom, and then pull it through like this. And then you're just going to want to make sure that you pull it from the base to make sure that that's tight and in there as seamlessly as possible. So obviously I have 2 pieces of hair in right now, but you really want to just continue this process around the whole wig head. Obviously there's a U part on the side, so you leave that out, but you just want to fill this up without making it too full. So I usually space my hair maybe 2 or 3 inches apart. So to make things go a little bit quicker, I like to go ahead and pre-separate out the hair that I'm going to use from each pack before I install it onto the wig stand. So when you separate your hair, you want to do it in like a fast ripping motion almost. So you part it in the middle like that, pull it like that, and then you have your 2 strands. And then you just want to take it, circle it around like this so that it goes back into a little curl instead of just being completely poofy like it was. So this is how my wig is looking so far with one of the 4 packs of hair that I bought installed in here.
2 packs installed.
So this is how the wig is looking with 3.5 out of the 4 packs installed. I plan on using the rest of the hair that I have for like a little bun on the top of my head.
The final look.